Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another fun little repair project. I've got this small power bank here. It's compact, really pocket-sized, but the original battery inside is completely dead. Doesn't hold any charge at all. Now, instead of throwing it away, I thought why not give it a second life? And for that, I'm going to use some recycled vape batteries. You know me, I love reusing parts from old electronics, and vapes are actually a pretty good source of small lithium cells. So in this video you'll see a timeline of me taking this power bank apart, removing the dead cell, and replacing it with a pack of used vape batteries. Let's get started. First step, opening the case. These little power banks are usually just clipped together with plastic tabs, so I carefully pop it open with a flat screwdriver. Inside we've got the charging board on one side and the old lithium cell glued in place. This one is swollen and definitely not safe to keep, so out it goes. Always remember, if you're doing something like this, handle old lithium batteries carefully. Now, here's the interesting part. I've got 8 small vape batteries, each around 400 mAh. Individually they're not much, but when we put them together, they can make a decent pack. In series they'd give too high voltage, so instead I'm wiring them up in parallel. That way the voltage stays at 3.7 volts, but the capacity adds up. 8 times 400 mAh gives us about 3200 mAh total, which is a nice size for a small emergency power bank. Enough to top up your phone once, or maybe give some life to your gadgets when you're stuck. Soldering time. This part always takes a little patience. I clean the contacts on the cells, tin them with some solder, and then connect them together with nickel strips. You can see me arranging the batteries neatly to fit back into the original power bank shell. It's a bit like playing Tetris, making sure they all fit tightly but without pressing against the circuit board. Once the cells are in place, I connect them to the power management board. That's the little PCB that controls charging through the micro USB input and provides USB output. A quick double check with the multimeter. Yes, we're getting the right voltage. Looks good. Now it's time for a quick test. I plug the power bank into a charger, the LED lights come on, so it's charging correctly. That's a good sign. And to test output, I connect my phone. And there we go, the phone starts charging immediately. Success. So basically, in about 20 minutes of work, this little power bank is alive again. Instead of throwing it away, I've restored it using recycled vape cells. It's compact, portable, and now has 3,200 mAh of capacity, which is pretty respectable for its size. Alright friends, that's it for today's project. If you enjoyed this repair and want to see more small DIY rebuilds like this, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'll keep bringing you these little ideas for reusing electronics instead of wasting them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.